And before ending the show, I have one more question for you. Sorry for the 9 p.m. interrogation, but I promise this question is also interesting. Are you as smart as a brain surgeon or a rocket scientist? I know you're thinking, no way. Those are top-of-the-line professionals. They operate on our brain. They send rockets to the moon. Surely they're a special lot. Well, think again. A new study has found that brain surgeons and rocket scientists are just like us. The study says they're not smarter than us. They're not more special. They're just good at what they do. So what exactly is this study? Let me explain. Researchers collected data from 329 aerospace engineers and 72 neurosurgeons. What was in the data? An online test. It's called the GBIT, the Great British Intelligence Test. It gives you a full workup. Your planning ability, your cognition, your memory, your reasoning, everything is tested. 18,000 random British citizens also took the same test. The rest was simple. Just compare the results. Let me tell you what the researchers found. When each group scores was compared to those in the general population, only 2 differences were significant. The neurosurgeons' problem, their problem-solving speed was quicker and their memory recall speed was slower. Everything else was the same. Reasoning, attention, cognition. There was nothing to separate brain surgeons and rocket scientists from the general public. And by the way, the quicker problem-solving speed can be explained. Neurosurgery is fast-paced. The surgeons must react in seconds, so naturally, they're faster at solving problems. And that's what the study found. What else did the study find? That horses are meant for courses. Let me elaborate. Space engineers were better at mental manipulation, like rotating objects inside your head. Expected for people who work with numbers and shapes. Meanwhile, the surgeons were better at semantic problems, like defining rare words. Again, expected, since medical terminology uses Greek and Latin. So what's the big takeaway here? Big brains is a big lie. Brain surgeons and rocket scientists are not extra special. According to this study, at least, they're just good at what they do, like a lot of us are. If you're a surgeon, if you ask a surgeon to manage a football team, will they succeed? Or if you ask a scientist to fix your plumbing, will they figure it out? Chances are they won't. Society creates these ideas of intelligence. A rocket scientist is brilliant, an electrician is not. This study proves that those notions may be wrong. We're all equally smart. The difference is some of us are good at neurosurgery. Some are good with words. Others have a knack for sports. Here's how the study's authors put it. It is not that they're better at everything, but they're better at certain things that make them good at what they do. In other words, if you have good hand-eye coordination, you can perhaps be a better cricketer. If you have good reaction skills, you can become a surgeon. If you have a vivid imagination, you can become an artist, if you have the skills that go with it. So to answer my first question, are you as good as a brain surgeon? At brain surgery, no. But in all other things, perhaps yes. The key is to find out your set of skills, and then it's all about hard work and consistency. That's something that you'll find in all brain surgeons and rocket scientists, I dare say. Yes, they're skilled, but they're also hardworking. And that hard work separates them from the others, because flair can only get you so far. It can make you a rocket scientist, perhaps, but it cannot make you a great rocket scientist. Think about it. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.